Hey everyone, in this video, we're embarking on an in-depth exploration of Sage Business Management Software, a suite of solutions designed to streamline operations, enhance efficiency, and drive growth for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a small business owner, a mid-market enterprise, or a large corporation, understanding the full spectrum of Sage's capabilities can revolutionize your operations. So now let's delve deep into its features, offerings, and discover how it can elevate your business management processes. So first is the section 1, which is the introduction of Sage Business Management Software. So business management software encompasses a range of integrated applications designed to assist businesses in managing various operations, from accounting and finance to payroll, human resources, and more. With over 4 decades of experience, Sage has established itself as a trusted provider of business solutions, catering to diverse industries and organizational sizes. So let's also talk about the overview of Sage Business Cloud. So at the heart of Sage's offerings is the Sage Business Cloud, a comprehensive suite that includes accounting, payroll, enterprise management, or what we call the Sage X-Tree, and more. So this cloud-based platform ensures that businesses have access to real-time data, facilitating informed decision-making and operational agility. And now let's talk about the section number 3, which is the Sage Accounting. So Sage Accounting is tailored for small to medium-sized enterprises, offering features such as invoicing, expense tracking, cash flow management, and financial reporting. So its user-friendly interface and automation capabilities simplify financial tasks, allowing businesses to focus on growth. So for the Sage Payroll, managing payroll can be complex, but Sage Payroll streamlines the process with automated calculations, compliance management, and employee self-service portals. So this ensures timely and accurate payroll processing, enhancing employee satisfaction and reducing administrative burdens. So Sage also have Intacct. So for businesses seeking advanced financial management, Sage Intacct offers cloud-based solutions that include accounts payable and receivable, cash management, and multi-entity consolidation. So its robust reporting tools provide deep insights into financial performance, supporting strategic planning. So Sage also has 50 Cloud. So Sage 50 Cloud combines the reliability of desktop accounting software with the flexibility of cloud connectivity. So it caters to small and medium businesses, offering features like invoicing, inventory management, and job costing, ensuring comprehensive financial oversight. So Sage doesn't only have 50 Cloud, it also has 100 Cloud. So Sage 100 Cloud, formerly known as NAS90, is an ERP solution designed for growing businesses, and it integrates financials, distribution, and manufacturing, providing a scalable platform that adapts to evolving business needs. So Sage also has 300 Cloud. So Sage 300 Cloud is a comprehensive business management solution that connects core operations like finance, inventory, and project management across multiple locations and currencies, making it ideal for companies with complex structures. So Sage also has what they call the enterprise management, or the Sage X-Tree. So for larger enterprises, Sage X3 offers advanced ERP capabilities, including supply chain management, production, and financial management. So its customizable and scalable nature ensures it meets the intricate demands of various industries. Now let's also talk about the integration capabilities in section 10. So Sage solutions are designed to integrate seamlessly with other business applications such as CRM systems, e-commerce platforms, and third-party applications. So this interoperability ensures a unified ecosystem, enhancing efficiency and data accuracy. So for its security and compliance, data security is paramount, and Sage implements robust measures to protect sensitive information. Additionally, its solutions are designed to assist businesses in maintaining compliance and with industry regulations and standards. Now, for those who doesn't know, Sage also has mobile accessibility. So with mobile responsive designs and dedicated applications, Sage ensures that the users can access critical business information and perform tasks on the go, promoting flexibility and real-time decision making. So you can also customize the scalability. So recognizing that each business has unique needs, Sage's solutions offer customization options and scalability, allowing businesses to tailor functionalities and expand capabilities as they grow. So now, if you're interested in using the Sage services, here are the subscription plans and pricing. So Sage offers a variety of subscription plans to accommodate different business sizes, and requirements. So for instance, Sage 50 Cloud starts at $58.92 per month, while other products like Sage Intacct and Sage X3 offer customized pricing and based on specific business needs. And that wraps up our deep dive into the Sage Business Management software. So we've covered everything from Sage Accounting and Payroll to its more advanced ERP solutions like Sage X3, and we've seen how its cloud-based functionality, integration capabilities, and security features make it a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes. So whether you're a small business owner looking for an easy way to manage your finances, a growing company needing advanced reporting, or a large enterprise that requires a full-scale ERP system, Sage has something for you. The flexibility, scalability, and rich feature set of Sage make it an essential business tool for modern enterprises that want to streamline operations and drive growth. So the question is, why do we consider Sage? So if you're looking for a business management solution that is reliable with over 40 years in the industry, Sage is a trusted name, and it's scalable. So it grows with your business, whether you're a startup or a large enterprise. It's also comprehensive. It covers everything from accounting to payroll, HR, and ERP. And it also has cloud-based and mobile-friendly, so you can access your business data anytime and anywhere. And it's secure and compliant, so you have to ensure that data protection and compliance with industry regulations, so they also have that. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!